So today I would like to get the dash removed. Feels like I've been procrastinating a lot. This car is a long form project. The goal is to use it to help me become better at fabrication and all of the other skills that I need in order to accomplish my goal. I want to share that experience of leveling up with you as well as learn from you, and we can grow and evolve together. It's been hard because I've been evaluating everything in my mind, and there's an overall goal that I want to achieve. It is a fun, cool car and I want to drive it, but the thing is, like, that's not its goal. That's not where it's going anytime soon, at least. I'm past the period of assessing the vehicle and trying to understand and figure out what I'm doing. The goal of this car is to run it on the Speeduino ECU and have a platform to level up my ability of fabrication and mechanical and electrical. This is a prime example of learning from my mistakes. The goal of this car is to get it to run on the Speeduino ECU. So everything else is secondary. So really, I'm just playing around. If I'm doing anything else, I'd be doing is trying to get this wiring out of the car. Then we have a new wiring harness. We can take the wiring harness we have and adapt it to the Speeduino ECU. For me, it's been difficult to separate the fun of just hanging out and working on the car with the goal of what I'm trying to build with the car. The block is officially unblocked. Let's check it out. Actually, the first time we've looked under the hood in a while, like a month. I forgot how much work we did. We moved the intercooler, we tucked the wires and stuff, we put a new radiator in, we hella worked on the router piping. But it's funny because all that, it's just gonna come out. The engine's gonna stay in, and the router, the piping's all gonna stay. So I guess it's all the electric is coming out. So yeah, it's all for naught. It's not all for naught. From here, I want to take stock on exactly what I need to get the Speeduino set up and communicating with the VG. If you want to see that, check out this video. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.